Hello, knock knock guys, what's up? How you guys doing? Hopefully आप सब अच्छे होंगे. Hey, knock knock guys, this is the HustlerZ in the house again. Bro,
What I'm going to show you now, it's fucking really beautiful. See on the back, that's all the leg, guys. That's the leg. It's fucking huge, huge. It's too big. You can't even imagine. You can't even imagine.
Saran, we are traveling. Hey भैया, कैसे हो? All good?
Everyone here, that's so nice people. And it's fucking enjoying it. You can see that there is a people boat down there. What do you guys shikaras?
And so we see the nice sea right there. There are some restaurants. My hands right there. That's focusing on it. But after that, what you see, that's a restaurant. वहाँ पे एक restaurant है जहाँ पे आप खा सकते हैं. There is so many good mountains. ऊपर भी hills हैं. Hills के ऊपर भी restaurants हैं. And then if you go on that side there is a shikara boat houses, the big boat houses for the tourists. And these guys looking for the fishes. They do fishing in here. I mean, some people love to enjoy all night long. Tonight I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take my beer and fucking roam around this fucking lake all night long. I paid fucking 2,000 for it. So this is gonna be fun, man. I mean, these guys see that traffic shit, and I mean that's so nice, man.